and welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey. So I'm super excited about this video today because I am going to be transforming this plain rolling cart. So I got this rolling cart on Amazon and it's really plain, still cute, but I'm gonna make it into something that Riley can use in her room for school. So to help me out with this video, I'm going to be using my Cricut, which this video today is sponsored by Cricut, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use it to put Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday on there, so she will know how to kind of sort out her clothes and just be more organized, also while learning the days of the week. So let's go ahead and start this transformation. Okay, so the first thing I did, of course, was I started to put this rolling cart together. So this was really simple to put together, and I got this put up in no time. So next I'm going to change the color of this, and I'm going to be spray painting it this Gilded brass color by Rustoleum. It's a metallic, and I absolutely love to use the spray paint. Anytime I want to spray paint something like a nice gold color, I use this spray paint. This is definitely my go-to, one of my absolute favorites. It's kind of hard to find though, but I do have a Walmart that's close by me that always keeps this in stock. But this is like literally my favorite. It goes on so smooth and it looks so good once you are done. So this hardware I got from Hobby Lobby. It is so cute. It's just some flower knobs, and I'm going to be replacing these with the little plastic white ones that the cart comes with, and I'm going to use these instead. So I'm just poking them through this cardboard box, and then I'm going to spray paint these that same Gilded brass color so that it will match with the body of my rolling cart. And to cover this hardware, it took about 3 coats. Now I'm going to start working on the days of the week. So I'm coming into Design Space, and I'm literally just going to type out Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I first used Letters for Learners that I got from defont.com. I didn't really like that one because it was too thin, so then I changed it to Primary Penmanship. Also got this from Defont. And so I then duplicated the Monday, and then I typed out the rest of the week so that the size of the words would be about the same. So before I finished kind of duplicating the words and adding the rest of the week, I noticed that some of the kerning was off. So for like this Tuesday, the T was too far apart, so I just ungrouped it and moved it over, and then I grouped it all back. After that, I started to change each word into a different color because each one of these are going to be a different color. So I'm just going to swoop over to the side because I've already added the color to each one. But before I move on, I just want to show you the colors that I'm going to use. So this is a pack that you can get for the Joy, and it's removable vinyl, and I love these colors, and I knew it would look so cute with the color gold that I had. So these are the colors that I'm going to be using to print. Okay, so I'm going to hit Make It, and then it's going to start to sort my projects by mat, and then I'm going to be printing this on the mat. Although I am using smart vinyl, I'm just going to use it on the mat because I just have like these small little words. So it is nice to just color coordinate your stuff so that you don't have to go back and just keep like saying, okay, we're gonna cut this again, make it again. It's just all gonna be in order for you. And then you're going to kind of just make sure that it is within the red lines before you actually print each one. And then you go about doing it as normal, where you select what materials you're gonna be using, and then you load up your mat, and then the Cricut will start to cut your design. So I'm just literally going to be loading and unloading the mat once the Cricut finished cutting out whatever color it is cutting that corresponds with whatever word that is. And it's really simple. You know, you just load your mat, unload it, put the new color on there, and then let the Cricut cut it out. So the next thing was, of course, adding these words to each bin. So the first thing I'm going to do is just start to weed all of the words, and then I'm going to take some transfer tape, add the transfer tape on top, and then I'm going to place this on my bin in the center. So I just started a nice little flow where I was just cutting my stuff out, peeling the excess off, then weeding them out, and just putting my transfer tape on and adding them to each bin until I was done. One thing I did do though was I started to just put the hardware on, and then I put the words on there so I can kind of really make sure that it was going to be visible and it was just in the correct space. But after that, that's just all it was. Very simple to just start to add these onto each bin. So after I put all the days of the week onto the bin, I started to put the rolling cart together. So adding the top, and then I also added the wheels to the bottom. And that's it. The next thing I did, of course, was I brought this up to her room, and I'm placing over here on the side, and I just put some clothes and stuff in there just for the video portion, because of course I said I wanted her to pick out her clothes, because she does that now anyway, and now she'll just have like a place to put them. And then I just put like these little teddy bears over here on the side, and I just love this. It is so cute. It's easy to just open and close each drawer. This was so simple to do. It will literally take you no time to do this. You can literally do this in a day. But I just love how this all came together. So cute. And I put this up in her room while she was in school, so when she comes back, she's gonna be so excited to see this rolling cart. And I can't wait for her to utilize this by putting her clothes in there, and also learning the days of the week and knowing them when she sees them, which ones they are, and all that good stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this inspired you, and if it did, as always, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below to let me know what you think. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button and you hit that notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!